Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're in need of last-minute Christmas presents but don't have time to bake, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you how to make easy, no-bake giftable treats that will impress anyone on your list. Let's get started. Our first treat is chocolate peanut butter clusters. These are incredibly easy to make and they taste amazing. Just melt some chocolate, mix in peanut butter and add a pinch of salt. Then spoon out clusters onto parchment paper and let them cool. Pack them in a gift box and you've got a delicious gift in no time. Next, let's make no-bake Oreo truffles. These are perfect for anyone who loves chocolate and cookies. Crush up some Oreos, mix them with softened cream cheese and roll into balls. Dip them in melted chocolate and sprinkle with crushed Oreos for a fun touch. These look fancy but are super easy to make. Now, let's make Christmas trail mix. This is a fun and customizable treat that's perfect for gifting. Just mix together some of your favorite snacks, pretzels, nuts, chocolate chips, and festive candies. You can even add in some dried cranberries or popcorn for variety. Package it in a jar and you have a fun, personalized gift. How about coconut snowballs? These are sweet, coconutty, and require no baking at all. Simply mix together sweetened condensed milk, shredded coconut, and a little vanilla extract. Roll the mixture into balls and coat them in more coconut. These are so simple and look like little snowballs, perfect for the holidays. Last but not least, we have chocolate-covered pretzel rods. These are a fun, customizable treat that anyone will love. Just dip pretzel rods into melted chocolate and decorate with festive sprinkles, crushed candy canes, or colorful candies. Let them set and you've got a fun, crunchy gift that's super easy to make. And there you have it. 5 easy, no-bake giftable treats that are perfect for those last-minute presents. These treats are quick to make and they look so beautiful in a festive gift box or jar. So, if you're short on time or just don't feel like baking, these ideas will save the day. Let me know which one you're going to try first and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more holiday tips. Happy holidays and happy gifting!